है दिखाओ मुझे. शुरू कर दिया तुमने?
Yeah. It just started. Right now they're building the audience.
तब तक अरे ब्लैक अभी काट दो फिर से बना. फिर से
Likes have started coming.
हाँ. Savan. Hi. Such a long time. I missed you all so much. I'm so happy. How's everything going on? I miss you all so much, and I wanted to do this from such a long time, and I'm so happy I'm doing this right now. I know it's a bit late and I told you all suddenly and all that stuff on Snapchat and Instagram, but I'm so happy. I'm on top of the world. Okay, I'm boring you all. I know that. Noor, what are you showing? I'm going to talk about some of my favorite products, like makeup products. So let's start.
So, which is your favorite product, Roshni?
My favorite product from all of the brands is going to be MAC, because I love their products, and it's going to be Essence. I love their products. It's good for skin, it sets on your face, and it has a nice color in everything, and it has very nice lipsticks and mascaras and foundations, concealers. I don't know, I love that brand. The day I saw that, I bought a lot of stuff from that site, and I was so happy. I love that brand. So I got this right now from Glam It Up, and I got a lot of lipsticks from there. I got this one, and another one. I love Kylie Jenner products. Don't show my face, otherwise I'll kill you. I love Kylie Jenner products. They're very good and it stays for quite a long time. I saw some YouTube blogs about it. No, show my face.
It's your face is only there. Nonsense.
Okay, so I saw a lot of blogs on YouTube about Kylie Jenner products, and half of people were complaining about it that it doesn't stay for long, or it is very expensive, or it is like half the bottle or something. But Glam It Up, which they sent me, was awesome because it stays for long and it has a lot of quantity in it, and I really liked it. I loved the colors in it and even the pencil. So now I'm going to show one of the best mascaras I use. I'm going to show one of my best mascaras I use. These are from Essence, and it's the one with the purple one. It's the triple black mascara, and it's good for parties and if you want to show your lashes big and all that stuff. So I really like this one. Now my favorite foundation. I love this foundation. It's from MAC, and it doesn't, you cannot say that it suits my skin a lot because I get a lot of pimples when I use this, and when I use Essence, I don't get an allergy. I have another foundation. I'm so honest. I have another foundation. It's from Naked Skin Urban Decay, and I love this one. It's good. I'll show you some of it. This is not coming out. It's like a cream, so it gives you a perfect shine, and it mixes well, and I really like this one. So yeah, you can see it's like it looks like just a cream, and it doesn't look excessive, or when you're clicking a photo with flash, it doesn't scare people. I'm very scared from that. Now this is from Essence. This is the All About Candies eyeshadow. I love this one because it has amazing colors. Like if I show you, this one is the one I love the most, and this blue one, it's one of the most amazing products I've ever used, and it shines really well and it mixes very well. So yeah, I love this one. I really love this.
पराठे और कबाब खाने हैं, बाबा ऑर्डर करना है।
अभी नहीं। हाँ। अरे मम्मी
यार कैसे लगेगा?
She's live.
क्यों नहीं?
I'm live. See my family, no? What should I do?
You were in lift.
Okay, this is my this is my lip gloss from Vove, and it's one of the best lip gloss. I use it a lot of times, but I use it very less nowadays. So it just gives you shine with a very natural color, and I really like this one. This is my bronzer from Savannah, and I really like this one. It gives you a very nice contouring cut, and it's good if your face is chubby. It's really good. And it even has a glowing part in it. So yes, highlighter. This is Savannah Colors Baked Flowers Cheek Blush On, and I use this nowadays. I got it from Glam It Up, and it's a brush with it. You can see it, right? I haven't used the brush yet, but it looks good. Yeah, it's very nice. I really like this one. And yeah, its mirror is amazing. I use it whenever I'm putting liner or mixing my foundation, because I really like its mirror. Now my favorite foundation of all times, the best, which I'm using right now, is Essence All About Matte, and it's oil free and long lasting, 12 hours. I really like this brand, and yeah, it is a bit loose. It loses the foundation sometimes, but when you put it on a face, it's the best. Like, it mixes very fast, and I use it with my sponge. The sponge I use all times, and I haven't washed it, sorry, but yeah, so this is like, you mix it and it mixes up. Beauty blender. This is my blush on again from Savannah, and I really like this one, and I have this from a long time, I guess. And the best thing about Savannah is that it doesn't finish very fast. It is there from like a long time, and if you put it also, it's like it's long lasting, and I really like it. I used to use this one only in my shoot of Ye Wada Raha, and yeah, in my shoot. So this is what I got from Shop Love by Naked 3 Urban Decay eyeshadow. It is with the brush, and I really like the brush, and I use this eyeshadow. I use the Dust a lot, and the Strange, and the Limit, and the Buzz. I use this one a lot, and I mix Buzz with the Dark Side, and it comes out very well. It comes out, you know, like Kylie Jenner's eyeshadow. I try to mix a lot of eyeshadows all together, and it comes out well. Again, another blush on from Color Bar. I got this recently, and I really like this one. It gives you very pinky cheeky types, you know, whenever you want a lot of pinky cheeks. So yeah, it's like really pinky.
Everybody's saying hi to you.
Hi, this is my compact from Bharat and Doris, and I really like this one. I used to use MAC before, but now I use Bharat and Doris. It really blends with my face, and it's awesome. I really like this one. I love this one. Then I have another mascara. It's from Maybelline. I use a lot of Maybelline products because I feel it's natural at sometimes, and this one is good, but I would prefer Essence more.
Somebody's asking about your hair products.
Hair products. I use any shampoo you give me, and whichever is available, and I don't put oil on my hair, and I put egg and dahi sometimes, curd. So I use that remedy a lot, like once in a month or something, and then I wash it like after half an hour or something. I watch some movie and I do time pass and then I wash it. That's it. Dahi, curd, lemon and egg. I use 2 eggs because you can see. This is from my eyebrows. I really like this one. It's from Wove. Okay, where should I open? I use usually this color or this color and this color sometimes for the eyelashes, but usually I use this one for the brows, and it's very good. It's very good and it's long lasting. I don't make eyebrows a lot. I usually only put a bit of concealer on my eyebrows, and that's it. I only blend it and it gets the perfect shape in it. Then it's time for my oval brush kit, the one which I love the most. I have a lot of. So this whole set, I love this set. Okay, so this one I use for foundation when I use MAC.